little. Ryan Little. From the previous clip, I showed you guys construction of the wig. This wig has 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and it does have an adjustable strap. It also had the lace, so it is a lace front synthetic wig. I did cut the lace right here. I left just a tad bit. I don't really lay synthetic wigs down, and I didn't want to lay this one down because I have another wig that I need to review, but I left just a little lace right here. There's really no need to lay this down anyways. But anywho, this wig is from Yiroo hair on Amazon, if I did not say that already. So make sure you guys check the description box below where I'll leave all the information about this wig. I have worked with Yiroo a lot, so this company should not be a stranger to you unless you are a new subscriber. Now, again, this wig is synthetic. I am going to get into more about this wig and how I feel about it. I did brush this part out a little bit because it was just, I needed to brush it out a little bit. And like I said, I didn't lay it down, so I mean, I'm sure you guys can tell. I did add some powder in the parting area, but I am sure that you guys, especially if I'm up close, you can definitely see. Plus my cap that I'm wearing, I know y'all saw it, is lighter today because I can't find the one that's closer to my skin tone. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into a little bit more about this wig. So again, this wig is from Yiroo. This is an ombre blonde curly synthetic wig. Hair is like a honey blonde, so I really do like the color. I really do like the color. If I can find a human hair wig like this, I would be okay. But I really do like the color. The color is really pretty. So it retails for $36.99. Affordable, not too bad. The hair is very soft, Like I said, it doesn't really look synthetic. Like, it doesn't look synthetic at all. It looks like real hair, real curls. So that's always a good thing. When it comes to synthetic wigs and they don't look like a synthetic wig, that is definitely good with me. It's heat resistant material, up to 150 degrees Celsius, which is 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It says the color will not fade. The hair is soft. I do have to say it is soft. Just a little, not even that much shedding. I mean, I've been doing this, but it is curly hair. Oh, here we go. So a little shedding going on here. 2 combs, one on the right, one on the left. This is a 3-inch deep side parting. Front lace is 11x2. Lace color is medium brown. Cap color is dark brown. Circumference of the wig cap is 22.5 inches. Breathable cap as well. So again, I love the color. I really do. I love the color. I also love the texture. This is like a real tight curl kind of texture. What I kind of hate about this, because aside from it being synthetic, I really don't have a problem with synthetic wigs. But what I hate, because I like this wig, I like the color and everything, I hate that it's only a 3-inch part and it's a side part. It would have been awesome if it was like a 13x4, 13x6, you know, where I'm able to part how I want to part it. So that's really the main thing that I kind of don't like about this, you know. And if you're familiar with synthetic wigs, a lot of people wear synthetic wigs, but I kind of like it when a synthetic wig, like, you can make it look natural. Like I said, I didn't lay the lace down. I really don't lay my synthetic wigs down, depending on what it is. But in this case, I wasn't going to. But I would have had to leave some of my hair out for my baby hairs to make it a little bit natural. I could have done that. Actually, my hair is braided under here, so I could have done that. I probably could have, but I just decided not to mess with it. But the only thing that I don't like is the parting space. I just can't get jiggy with that. And like I had said, I did brush it out a little bit up here because I needed it to look a little bit natural over here by the parting area. So yeah, I think if I was to, it's a lot of hair. It really, like, I've seen more hair than this, but it still is a lot of hair. I forgot the inches on here. I will leave that down below for you guys. But I forgot what the inches look like. It looks like it's about 14 inches. Of course, it's curly hair, so, you know, shrinkage going on. But it looked about 14 in the back, and this is about I think this is about 8 or 12. So the length is really nice, really nice. And I know y'all heard me say it 1,000 times, I really do like the color. Only thing that I kind of hate is that parting space, and that I like side parts, but when it comes to wigs, when I'm still able to move my part elsewhere, I really, really do like that. But I'm forced to wear this wig like this. But I mean, it's not anything that I hate. So yeah, hair is soft. Like I said, it doesn't look synthetic. It doesn't even feel synthetic. Like, it's just so soft. So if this is your kind of a wig and you like this wig, go ahead and head over to Yiroo on Amazon and order this wig. I think they have a couple more colors. I'm not too sure, I don't remember, but this is the one that they wanted me to review. And even if they told me I could pick another color, I probably still would have picked this because the color is just so pretty and it just goes so well with my skin complexion and everything. So I want to thank Yiroo again for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig for them. I absolutely love it. I love it, and I will continue to work with Yiroo in the future. Whatever other wigs they need me to review, I will do that for them. But yeah, you guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig. Would you rock this wig? You know, do you like the color? Do you like the texture? Can you deal with all this hair, all this curls going on? Let me know down below in the comments how you feel about this wig. Do you like the wig on me? Like, I like it. It looks real nice on me. I think it'll look even better if I actually did my makeup today, like some eyeshadow, but I did a real simple look. So, I mean, maybe I'll play in it again another day. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.